So the highlight vibe of this week is realizing something is missing. So let me walk you through what is holding us back, when it's happening, and how you can resolve it. And then shine. Give yourself access to a free lifestyle. Start living in the new era vibe. Let's go travel towards freedom. Even though you may have had some success, what you're expressing, what your soul really wants, is aching. There is something very important missing from the whole picture, and you're about to figure this out. It may be volatile to reach our authentic truth, to become conscious enough to beam out more of who we really are inside out. It's time to stand firm in your power. Whatever is standing in the way of you becoming a powerfully brighter soul will come up. Shake-ups will happen for you to dissolve the past limitations. Learn how to move past the old fears holding you back. Look at how you can cleanse these emotions out which are holding you from actually achieving the life you want. This emotion and the ego mind is keeping you stuck in the status quo. And you can't get out without cleansing them out, so it will not hold you back time and time again. And leave you on a low-hanging vibe where nothing is created. So there's only one way out of the pseudo-life, and that's up. Choose the vibe. Hold on to your new life vision. Believe, trust that it will happen, that you can make it. You're capable. You've got this. Believe, trust that it can happen, though you can't see it yet. It is coming to life behind the scenes as a reflecting mirror of you, how committed you are to make this brighter move day after day. That will end up building momentum. This is called exponential growth, meaning for a long time we will not see a lot of momentum happening, but it will build up underneath our actions. Will end up shifting into higher and higher gear at one point when the momentum inside out have been building up enough. So it's about learning what is needed to pull it off the ground, preparing well so you do not crash and burn out. Lights up and ring the bell so I can help out even more people raise above the distortion, above the clouds. The outer world is spinning out of control. Something big is beginning. An event is about to happen in September. We're all here to shake things up. So we're waking up so we can be part of starting innovating what is dysfunctional in the systems we have built, in the society we have built. We each came into this expansive moment in time with our personal power to be part of this vital change needed. From the 21th of August, we'll get to the heart of all matters right now. So it's important not to ignore it. There's time where the planets are helping us along, and there's time where there's restrictions because other things are going on. It's important and even vital to come along on this wave, swaying us into a brighter existence, letting it dawn on us what our real, profound soul purpose and brightest life is like if we didn't have all these restrictions from inside out. And what would we be doing? Who would we be with, etc. This is your true life, the one that stems from the heartfelt decisions, the heartfelt feel of adventure and excitement, moving towards something that you enjoy. Your kindred spirit are surfacing because he contains the real, honest, pure you. It's a huge change that also happened in 1999 and 211 that will be resolved now. So remember what happened back then. See what was important areas at that moment, how you shifted to the better, and how you can resolve it now from all the wiser knowledge you have reached after all these years. After realizing what that is, you can release the karma, the situation with people, relationships, all sorts of dysfunctional things that may be showing up to be resolved in your life. It comes by accepting your emotions and letting it go, letting them go. If all the issues come back to you, like talk to the people involved. If you know they will be listening, tell them the truth of why to get it out of your system. Let them have their opportunity and then let it go. But if it will be a sterile conversation, just let them go, knowing they are what they are, they do the best they can, and it will not change. Let them have their opinion and let it go. Personal dreams are taking off. Believe in your magic. Innovate, improve, disrupt the status quo. For the next 18 months, we will be going back and forth. Just keep evolving with it. Evolving from a lower vibe life is not a straight line. It comes in waves of new angles that we hadn't looked at. New hidden areas we haven't realized impact our chances coming up to be resolved. So we finally really can move on from all the old stuff. It's about resolving challenges in the areas of security, our values, and stability. What are our beliefs in these areas? What feels good and joyful? What makes us grounded? Feel at peace. This is the right direction for us. It is a time where we will resolve the battles of what we value versus what is good for us. If, for example, you value and enjoy ice cream, but it upsets your stomach, it's better to listen to what is good for you. In that sense, whatever is disconnected from between the values and what is good for us inside out needs to be resolved in something that's doable for both. Something will need to change for a better balance in between the two. Believe you're worthy, that you can do it, that you deserve it. If you don't authentically believe in your worth, how can others believe in you? It comes from the inside out, shining out. You attract, like a magnet, more of what emanates from you. This is why it's vital to truly believe in yourself. You deserve it. You are worthy. But it won't show up in the world before you truly feel you're worthy to receive it. Truly, profoundly wish for. This is your drive to keep the fire going in the long run. Getting clear on this is very rewarding. If you want to live an enjoyable life, to master shining from the inside makes you magnetic to what you truly wish for, because it will steer you in one direction or the other, whatever fire is burning within you. So it's important to muster enough clear belief, energy, which is that drive that moves you forward. Enough fuel to keep you going in the long run. If not, you know what happens. Back to the situation you don't want to live in anymore. So better get your worthy, trusty self in order and in gear before self-loathing that you couldn't believe enough in yourself starts creeping in. It's better to choose the lighter, brighter road, shining from the inside out. Even though it takes catching your thoughts over and over again and reshaping them, reorganizing your actions, your beliefs into who you truly want to be and what you want to outlive. So it's important to come on this wave of evolution where it's kind of with an invincible hand is taking on this ride towards a brighter future. So it's about doing this one little brighter step a day. And remember, Rome was not built in one day. Patience is an important gift. And accept it's not going to come with a click. It's going to come stone set by stone set, building the pavement of your brighter future in front of you so you can walk along on it, swaying on the wave through the obstacles.